Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to talk about how to fix iOS 26 public beta not showing up on iPhone and iPad. If you are eager to explore the exciting new features of iOS 26 but can't find the public beta update on your iPhone or iPad, you are not alone. Many users have complained about this frustrating problem. In this guide, I'll walk you through the most effective solutions to help you locate and install the iOS 26 public beta on your device without any hassle at all. That said, let's get started. So first and foremost, you have to launch Safari on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to head over to the Apple Beta Software Program website. After that, you have to sign in using your Apple ID and password. Then you have to restart your device. And once your device has successfully rebooted, you have to head over to the Settings app. After that, choose General. Then select Software Update option. Then you have to choose Beta Updates option. After that, you have to select iOS 26 or the iPadOS 26 Public Beta and then hit the back button. Then you have to wait for a few seconds to allow your device to check for the software and bring it up. After that, go ahead to download and install the public beta by following the usual process, and that's about it. For a small selling update, make sure your iPhone is connected to a power source and has a stable internet connection, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily fix iOS 26 public beta not showing a problem on iPhone and iPad. Hopefully, you have managed to get a better of the problem and now you have successfully installed the public beta. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and I'll catch you up in the next one.